All right, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be going over files and file handling. So three primary modes that we're going to go over when it comes to files is reading, writing, and appending. So if we read a file, let's say we have a file called file I'm using and it's a text file. So if we're reading, we're going to read the contents line by line, and that's what we're going to do with the mode R. If we're writing, we're going to overwrite everything on the file, so we pretty much make it go all blank, remove everything, and then we're going to write something, let's say like a list of names, such as Mike, Sam, Lewis, and Larry. If we're appending, we're going to not overwrite anything, but we're just going to add to the end. Let's say we added these things as our parameter into writing into a file. All right, so now using W for writing into our file, all we have to do is f.write and whatever we want to put in these parentheses. So files take strings. So let's say we have n equals 0 as our parameter, and for, let's say, our lines in range of 5, so 5 things that we'll put in there. Let's say we write n plus equals 1 as an increment. We're going to put in a string of our parameter n, and we're going to print this out. So what it's going to do is overwrite everything here and write 0 to 4. Perfect. So it doesn't print anything into our console, but it writes into our file. So if I wanted to put each number by line, all I have to do is inside of our string backslash n, just like that, and it adds a line increment. So I'll have 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now I have 6 lines here, because at the end of 4, I've added a extra space as well. So if I removed everything, it's just going to add 6 lines, because at the end of, let's say, 4, it's going to add a space. So it goes on to the next line. And I can just keep creating and modifying things in this file. So if I wanted to, let's say I wrote the function, let's say I did, instead of writing, I appended. So now I'm not going to remove everything. I'm just going to run the function again. And it goes 0 to 4. And if I append again, it'll do the same thing. All right, so that's it for today's video. Hopefully you learned something, and thank you for watching.